On the home page, in the Content view, you can use the action bar to quickly create the WebFOCUS content you need. Action bar buttons are organized into different categories. Categories display according to your domain role and privileges. Note that categories do not display in the action bar from the domain's node view. If you click the domains node, the action bar displays domain and folder buttons. Let's return to a folder. The Common category shows buttons for actions you would most commonly use. The most common actions include uploading data and creating charts, reports, and pages. The Data category shows buttons for using different WebFOCUS data workflows. You can upload and connect to data, edit your metadata, and create reporting objects. The Designer category shows buttons for using WebFOCUS Designer. You can create interactive and responsive pages, portals, and applications. The Info Assist category shows buttons for using WebFOCUS Info Assist. You can use ad hoc reporting features to create insightful charts, visualizations, and reports. The Schedule category shows buttons for using WebFOCUS Reportcaster. You can automate, schedule, store, and distribute information to anyone within or outside your organization. Additional WebFOCUS actions can be found within the Other category, such as creating links, shortcuts, blogs, or collaborative portals. Click the arrow to the right of the action bar to collapse it. Click the arrow again to expand it. To learn more, visit the WebFOCUS knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.